So guys, this is the phone that we are going to tear down and try to fix it. Let's see how successful we are in doing that. So this phone is actually, I think it's around 7 to 8 around years old, and I used it earlier a long time back for 2 months. Then I was annoyed by the phone due to the reason that the screen size is too small and I like bigger screens, so I basically didn't use this phone after that. So we're gonna tear this down and see actually what is inside a 6-year-old smartphone and can it actually be revived. So basically the problem is that we know that phones today have sealed backs, but this phone has a removable back and a battery, and the main problem is that the battery has swollen up. If you can see here, yeah, the battery has swollen a lot, and that's actually the main problem that I'm facing right now. Just adjust the light a bit. Yeah, so battery is the main problem I'm facing right now, and I'll be finding a new battery and we'll replacing it. But the main problem is also in the back speaker, the speaker. So we'll be opening it, I'll be showing you what's inside this, and we'll be removing every component and talking about it a bit. So this will be a long video, but let's get started. So first I'll be opening it. I'll be a bit fast so that you don't get bored, not consuming a lot of your time. Oh, so one screw is left. Hoping I'm gonna break this. Okay, so I think I broke something now. So finally, guys, the main frame has been removed, and let's now talk about what is inside the phone and what parts and how they are assembled, talking more clearly how small they are, how big they are, and we'll be actually removing everything on this phone, just leaving the screen behind and removing this logic board, this speaker, and everything else. So let's get started. First we will be pulling off all of these little connectivities. Just okay, that was like killing, but it didn't harm the thing. Okay, everything's fine right now, and now we'll be removing the speaker, just lifting it, and the speaker is actually separate now. I can just like lift it. So this is a speaker. So in all phones this was a speaker. If you have heard about the S series, the S3, S2 and the S1 came with speakers like these. These were the speakers actually placed in the device. These are like big speakers, they have better sound quality. Then this is the main logic board, it has been screwed with. Okay, so now I'll be removing the logic board. So I just lifted the logic board. So the logic board basically has the processor right here, and one of these modules is the storage, one of these is the GPU, and the small components. In here what you can see, this thing, yes, this little thing is actually the camera module. You can remove it if you want, just like this. Yeah, so you can see I just removed the camera module right here. Now let's see what else we can remove. Actually this is only what we could remove, and then you have the earpiece up here. You can see this is the earpiece, this is the earpiece. Then we have actually disassembled everything we could A bit disassembling is still possible, but I won't go that long because the video is going to extend a lot. So you've seen the parts now right here. Just have a closer look to them. This is the, okay, why I'm showing this. This is the main rear camera module, and this one right here is the selfie camera module. And these are like, this is 0.3, that's I think 5 megapixels, so that's actually too less. Now we'll be talking about what else is there on this display. This is good question, what is this actually? This is kind of a sensor. I think maybe a mic sensor or something. Yes, this is kind of a mic sensor only. This, I think, a mic sensor, and there is one mic on the logic board itself. Here somewhere. It is here somewhere. So this is the mic module, and then we have this as the volume buttons, and then this as the lock button, and then this is the terminal where the battery is connected. So this is the lower part of the logic board, which is actually a charging module, the charging connector actually. And where is, okay, so one more good thing is that the 3.5mm jack is directly built into this speaker module. You can see up here. I'll bring it a bit closer. So this is the 3.5mm jack module here above this. And then this is another sensor. It is, I think, accelerometer sensor. Not sure because the details are not quite visible, but this is according to me accelerometer sensor. Then this is the earpiece, and this is the display connector, the touchscreen display connector. So we have basically all the parts removed. So now I'll be assembling everything back. So basically this device is closed now, and everything is intact and this device is back. Let's try to boot it up. So this device has no juice inside it, so it won't boot up actually. So we'll be putting on, I put it on charging,